Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: RC, license, and a government ID. Once done, open the official traffic Loka Adalat portal or designated state portal and choose e-token issuance. Enter basic case identifiers like challan number or FIR and the vehicle registration. This locates your record. Make sure your phone number and email match the ID for OTP verification. Proceed immediately to OTP. Delays can expire the session, so act promptly and keep documents at hand. Next, you fill the detailed form: name, address, vehicle details, and case specifics. Accuracy matters because mismatches block issuance. Once filled, choose an available Loka Adalat slot and upload supporting PDFs or photos. Clear scans of RC and license help. After confirming entries, proceed to the payment gateway and complete the fine or fee using card, UPI, or net banking. Save or screenshot the transaction receipt and reference number. You will need it for verification at hearing. Finally, you receive the e-token ID and QR code on screen, plus SMS and email confirmation. Download or screenshot it and print if possible. Bring originals to the Loka Adalat at the scheduled time. Present the QR and receipt for verification, and your case will be heard. If the token isn't generated, first check payment confirmation. If paid but no token, reupload documents and retry. If problems persist, call the portal helpline with your transaction ID for immediate resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.